Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bremer Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Bremer Bank and start the search. Once you find the application, just tap on it and then you will see the install button. Simply tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Bremer Bank application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Bremer application and then continue with logging into your account to start banking right from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Bremer Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.